Amateur running has gained popularity in the past decade, resulting in the global sports apparel market being worth over 180 billion US dollars in revenue last year. By 2025, it's expected to reach over 200 billion US dollar.
So, while OnTrack has a solid reputation within the elite running community, there's a room to expand our customer base to get a piece of that pie, especially on a global level. To do that, the brand will need a revamp.
However, OnTrack faces several challenges. For instance, the brand's growth is not keeping up with the opportunity of the category, and amateur runners don't relate with the brand.
Here's our marketing strategy to revitalize OnTrack. Maintain the appeal as a provider of technical sports apparel but not be elitist. We don't compete with mass market brands like Nike, Adidas, and Reebok, but we want to own the space that brands such as 2XU, ASICS, and On Running are in, whilst being ahead of the game in terms of fitness tracking. We will also focus on doing good for communities through running, and take this message in all touchpoints of the customer journey, creating relevant content around this big idea.
We've identified our target audience as millennials and Gen Zs who are digitally savvy. They are affluent and health conscious. They are on social media and frequently shop online.
We've mapped out their customer journey with the See, Think, Do, Care framework, identifying micro moments that an amateur runner might have. We've also identified the signals that they would give, such as browsing for information around running or posting updates or pictures of their runs.
From this, we map out the drivers behind the customer needs using Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Aristotle's seven causes of human action.
This helps influence how we use the why, what, how framework to build our brand mission and brand purpose. Why OnTrack exists as a company, we love running and we believe that there is an elite runner inside all of us. Thus, our brand mission, OnTrack is dedicated to help you discover and unleash the elite runner inside you.
To build the content plan, we use the Hero Help Hub model to cater content to win new customers as well as appeal to established fans. We were also inspired by the five fields of human values, including impacting society, which is a more modern insight from Maslow and Aristotle.
Here, you can see how we found out content sweet spot where the customer needs intersect with our business needs. It consists of hero content to helpful information around running better, down to health and mental wellness, diet and nutrition, down to on-tracks, community and environmental efforts.
We then plan out the different content types across the different social media platforms, tapping the strengths of each and appealing to different audience behaviors from each platform. For instance, Facebook will be for building digital communities. Instagram will be visual led to drive inspirations. YouTube will be for helpful how-to videos, and TikTok for younger runners who love fun, shareable challenges.
As organic content has limited reach due to the algorithms that determines the consumer social feed, so our efforts will be combined between organic and paid social. Paid social grants the ability to target the right audience segment with the right content, especially when engaging different influencers and brand ambassadors that appeals to different groups of runners. Next, social listening tools such as Brandwatch or Awario are essential to have too, as it allows us to track conversations on social media around our brand, about running as a community and any social activities of our competitors.
Revitalizing the on-track brand requires sell-through across the whole company with buy-in from leadership as well as other cross-functional organizations. Here's our plan on engaging our peers and counterparts to help on-track move forward and take on the future. Thank you.